Why is it important to plan a day? What are the things that we should consider while planning a day? And how do you do it? In this video, we're gonna answer all the 3 questions in only 5 steps. Before we go on to the main video, I'm gonna discuss with you कि actually video चलेगा कैसे, ठीक है? तो पहले I'm gonna discuss with you guys एक proper routine क्यों बनाना ज़रूरी है. Second, उसके बाद I have created a dummy daily routine and through this timetable I'll make you analyze, I'll make you understand कि आपको अपना timetable actually कैसे frame करना है. तो I hope this helps you guys and let's get started with the video. So the first question is, why do we need to plan? Especially for students, we have so many tasks to do in a whole day. Like we have classes to attend, we have assignments to do, we have notebooks to complete, we have to self-study, we have to revise, we have extracurricular activities, we have our hobbies, we have so much stuff to do that we can't do it one day. And to make it done in one day, we need to prioritize timings and set a proper time frame for doing one work. Right. The first step is to write down your actual routine. So what you're going to do, abhi, take a piece of paper and pen, write down कि actually how your day goes, ठीक है? कि कितने बजे उठते हो, कितने बजे you attend your classes, कितने बजे क्या करते हो, and write it down very honestly. For example, I'll show you on the screen here. Here I'm talking about my actual routine. So it says I wake up at 9 a.m. in the morning. Okay. I know it's pretty late, but it's okay. So, no, it's not okay. Okay. So I wake up at 9 in the morning. And from 9:15, I have my classes till 4:30 in the evening. So it's a long span of time that takes my time, like almost 6 to 7 hours. After that, as soon as I am done with my class, 4:30, turn on my social media or I'm just free. So for 1 hour, I'm doing nothing but sitting on my study table and just scrolling my phone. Okay. So this is what actually happens. I don't know कब time निकल जाता है और मैं बैठी रह जाती हूँ. उसके बाद from 5:30 to 7, as you can see, I'm doing nothing but either I'm talking to my friends. Okay, I call up my friends and I'm talking to them for 1 hour or so, or I'm just walking and roaming around. Again, 1.5 घंटा is gone. 7 to 8 I'm doing some work. But my books are open, I study for some time and then I get up, I roam here and there in my house and I go back to the book and sit and do something. So it's not very organized or not very strict. Then at 8, okay, it's missed. So at 8, I have my dinner timings. So dinner from 8 to 9 to keep it flexible. Obviously, it's not going to be like 8:30 के बाद मुझे खाना खाना है. So it's 8 o'clock मैं dinner करती हूँ and 9 o'clock. Okay, so I have some written works to do, like I have assignments or notebooks or notes to complete or something. So I do the written work at that time and I'm watching television or I'm on my phone. This is it. And then from 11, 11:30, 12, I sleep around that. So it's not a good timetable. This is the actual very honest timetable that I've written. This is what happens. Like I know what I'm doing, nobody else knows what actually I'm doing. So I want you all to write down right now, pause this video and write what is your actual routine honestly. Okay, so I hope you've written your routine and now मेरे साथ साथ you're gonna analyze this routine and that's our step number 2, analyzing the routine. My analysis of my routine is my classes take up to 6 to 7 hours and the screen timing, that is TV, my calls and social media, is 4 hours plus and that's totally unnecessary, nothing productive, nothing important. Then my routine work, obviously like नहाना होता है, खाना होता है और भी चीज़ें होती हैं, तो वो सब 3 hours or so, like that. And then when I sum up all these things, like 7 hours plus 4 hours plus 3 hours, it is already 14 hours. So what does that mean? Out of 24 hours, 14 hours are gone and 10 hours am I sleeping, because after these 14 hours the day is over. Does that mean that I'm sleeping for 10 hours? So I'm wasting my time. So you see how unproductive and stupid this is, right? Now this was our step 2. Now you analyze kahan you're spending and how many hours are you spending on one thing. Okay? Pause this video, analyze your routine and then play this video. Okay, so the step number 3 is to look into what things can't be avoided from your routine and things that have to be avoided or have to be reduced if you feel like. The things that can't be avoided are my online classes. I can't avoid them. And the second is my routine work. Only these things that I can't avoid. Other things that I need to cut down my timings on are my social media or my screen timing and me wasting time roaming here and there. तो ये चीज़ें हैं जिसमें मुझे टाइम कम करना है. This was our step 3. Again pause this video and have a look कि कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जिस पे आप बहुत टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हो and you think you don't need to waste time on that. And also see कि things that can't be avoided you have to do them. ठीक है? Make a list और फिर play करो उस वीडियो को. Step number 4 is to look what you actually want to do in a day. ठीक है, why are we planning? So that जो भी हमें करना है उस दिन में we can do them successfully, right? I want to do these things. For you, these can be different, right? मेरी क्लास होती है, उसके बाद मुझे रिवाइज करना है कि मैं पूरे दिन में जो भी कराया है उसको एक बार go through करूँ. Second चीज़ is I need to exercise. And then third is I need to study. Like apart from what I've done today in class, I need to focus a bit on studying a bit extra, right? So I need time for that. And the fourth thing is going to be your hobby. You might want to do painting or you might like to do Kathak, example, right, etc. So now again pause this video, write down what you actually want to do in the whole day, what are your priorities, and then play this video. And here we are to the fifth and the final step is to plan realistically our routine. What is your ideal routine gonna look like? See, how I need to plan is when I want कि मेरे पास time हो for revision of notes, I want exercise का time, I want to study something extra, and then I want to spend time on my hobby as well. So I have to change a bit in the sleep schedule. So when I was getting up in my actual routine at 9 a.m., I'm gonna here wake up at 6 a.m. and that's pretty realistic. I get up at 6 and approximately till 6:30 I'll be freshened up and all, and I'll sit for studying at 6:30 to 8:30. So I'm getting 2 hours of time, and that's an ample amount of time for doing something extra. Then from 9:15, unavoidable things that are my classes. So from 9:15 to 4:30 I have my classes. Then from 4:45 to 5:45 I've sought down this time. Either I have to revise my class notes because my class is just over, 15 minutes of break, and then I can revise what I want. Or you can do your hobby at that time if you wish to. Like your classes are just over, you might not feel like studying at that point of time, so you can practice something that you would like to, like your hobby. I'm not telling just 1 hour. This is according to what I would like to follow. So yours could be 2 hours or 3 hours to it. You can adjust your time according to that. Maybe you don't want to study something extra, you just want to revise your notes. So it'll go on the basis of your choice, your flexibility and all, okay? It's just an example for you. Uske baad, 5:45 I'm done with my hobby or my revision. Then 6 to 7 is my exercising ke liye jo time hai. So either I'll exercise or I'll go for a walk. Then from 7 to 8, I have again a bracket for class notes revision or hobby. So if I'd done class notes revision at that time, I'd like to do my hobby at this time. Or if I did my hobby that time, I'd like to do class notes revision this time. So yeah, it goes flexible. And that again, 8 to 9 I have my dinner. 9 to 10:30 I have again 1.5 घंटे का timing for my study. Again, I can read a book, I can study something, I can do anything that I want because I've already got 2 hours in the morning to study. So you have so much time properly, bracketed. And then finally at 11, I'm gonna sleep, or 11:30 so that I can wake up at 6. And this is how easily you can plan your day out. If you actually worked out with this video with me, then you might have a schedule that's already ready for you to work upon. Now one question to you guys before you leave is, actually I was thinking of making another channel. On that channel I'll be sharing the personal stuff, like share my routine with you guys, my actual routine, into my day, into my life, and kind of vlogs and all. So if you would like to see those kind of videos, please comment down in the comment box and tell me if you would like to see that channel. and I should create one or not. It will be very valuable for me because you guys means to me the most. So please comment in the comment section and tell me if you would like to see those kind of videos of mine. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel Study and Praxis for more videos on self-development, self-help and study tips. I'll meet you guys next Monday. Till then, bye bye. This is Ananta signing off. Namaste.